Méréville is an estate located 43 miles south of Paris. With no heirs to maintain it over the centuries, the estate has been abandoned before becoming the property of the Essonne department. The aim of Essonne is to restore the Domaine to its former glory, in order to reopen it to regular public visits. The park is embellished with numerous folies. It's the story of one man's ambition, the Marquis de Laborde, the banker to Louis XV who had an extraordinary career. He wanted Méréville in order to leave lasting proof of his success, as well as create a site of rare beauty. 400 workers from all over France were mobilized in order to transform nearly 1,000 acres of nature. It's the story of an artistic masterpiece, thanks to the fantastic perspectives designed by François-Joseph Bélanger, creator of the Bagatelle Park in Paris, and enhanced also by the painter Hubert Robert with the estate. Today the garden extends over 1,043 acres. The next major investments plans to restore the park's hydraulic network so that the garden is once again enchanted by the melodious sounds of water. The Essonne department created in 2017 the Essonne Patronage Foundation under the umbrella of the Heritage Foundation. As godmother to the Domaine of Méréville, I want to share my emotion with all visitors who might contemplate this wonderful landscape left to oblivion for so many decades. Little by little, this garden is coming back to life. The view from the castle is breathtaking. Once again, Méréville destiny will be perpetuated in an invitation to discover a dreamlike landscape. I hope that you will help us to be part of the rebirth of Méréville. Thank you.